Today we will learn about Industrial Revolution. In earlier days in Europe, people used to do work with the help of their hands. They used to make the things in small workshops or in their homes. But later on, they started working in the factories or industries with the help of more technologies and machineries. Industrial Revolution was that time period in which a bigger change came in the way the products were made. It was the time when the manufacturing of goods moved from small shops to industries. Industrial Revolution began from England in 17th century and then it spread to all over the world. Now let's know that what were the reasons behind this bigger change. What are the causes of Industrial Revolution? The rate of population growth had become too high, means there was more demands of the products used by the people, such as the food products, clothes, or other necessities of the life. After Renaissance, people had become wealthy because of trade and other inventions. Therefore, they wanted to invest their money in any of the business. Therefore, when they got a chance to build an industry, they went ahead. Some very useful products such as coal, tin, and iron were present in larger quantities. They wanted to utilize these raw materials. Therefore, these useful products like iron, coal, and tin were used as the fuel or raw material in industry for making the machines or other useful products in larger quantities. The water was also used as the steam power for the steam engine at first. The banking system of England was so efficient. It was just ready to lend the people money for establishing their businesses. So the people did that. Means all the system was ready for this bigger change. New tools in crops had already been introduced in the field of agriculture. Now it was the time to make new machineries. Now let's know that what happened after Industrial Revolution. What are the effects of Industrial Revolution? Many people had invested their money in establishing the industry. Therefore, many industries were established such as iron and steel industry, cotton industry, textile industry, and so on. Now the laborers were making the products in larger quantities by the help of machineries in industry. More technologies were introduced and many machines were invented. In fact, there were 27 plus those machines which just changed the world with other some small inventions. The bigger inventions were the spinning jenny, telegraph, steam engine, cotton gin, etc. Establishment of more industries means more job opportunities for the people. People moved from rural areas to the big cities in order to work. In larger quantities, the people started working, and in this way there were higher production and affordability. Now the products in larger quantities could be manufactured in industries. Many big cities started growing because of the establishment of industries and use of modern technologies by the people. Now there was more use of transport and communication. There was rapid growth of worldwide trade due to establishment of more industries and manufacturing of more products. Along with positive effects of Industrial Revolution, there were some negative effects too, which even you cannot imagine. People were coming from rural areas in order to work. Now the cities were more crowded. There were more people in the cities but no development plans. Due to this crowded living and establishment of more industries without plans, more diseases spread among the people, just like TB, pneumonia, lung cancer, and many other breathing diseases. The working condition in the factories were so bad. Factory owners didn't give them the suitable salaries. In fact, they used to take more hard work and for the longer hours. The worst thing during Industrial Revolution was the child labor. Factory owners employed many children in the factories to do the work with the heavy machineries in dangerous environment. Those working children had to work for 16 hours a day in very difficult conditions. In fact, sometimes they used to lose their limbs, fingers with heavy machineries. But after some time, the people realized the issues and they started solving them. So there were some steps which were taken by the people or the authorities to sort out the issues. Just like the formation of labor unions, child labor laws, and in fact all the labor laws were implemented. There were planning and development of the cities, and as well as the industrial areas were built far from the residential areas. The hard work of each day adds up big results. Thank you. If you like this video, please like the video and share it. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos in future.